All right, so today we're going to look at a star problem that says the table represents some points on the graph of a linear function. Which equation represents the same relationship? So it is linear. That is a key word. And so what we're going to do is use our Inspire calculator to confirm that whatever answer we get for that equation is correct. So looking at your problem, you do have the keyword of linear function. They do give you x values and y values. So we're trying to find which equation represents this table in the form of y equals mx plus b. Before we start our calculator, what I'm going to do is, you notice in the y column there are two fractions. Convert those to decimals. So 1/2, we're going to write 0.5, and then -1/4 is -0.25. Now, because this is linear, we're going to go onto our calculator and do menu, 6, 1, and if you notice 3, has linear regression, mx plus b. That's the y equals mx plus b. So click 3, and we're going to type in our x values with our fancy brackets. So that's going to be a -4, comma, 0, comma, 2, comma, 3. Your fancy brackets should already be closed. And then our y value, fancy brackets. So 5, comma, 2, comma, 0.5, comma, -0.25. And again, your fancy bracket should be closed. Click OK, and then you'll be given right here, say linear regression, and it says mx plus b. Your m is -0.75, so your slope, or the number in front of x, should be -0.75, and your b, or the number adding or subtracting after x, should be 2. Now, our answer choices are in fraction form, so what might be an option for you is to arrow up, make all of that data the calculator just gave us blue, hit enter, and then go ahead and go to menu and number 2 for number. Take those numbers that the calculator just gave us and approximate it to fractions because our answer choices are in fractions. When you do that, it'll say approximate to fractions. You'll click enter to say okay. And then now you see our m is -3/4, our b is 2. So we're looking for this number in front of x to be -3/4. So we're not picking a, and the number or the y-intercept after x to be a +2. So we should pick C.